Everybody, Justin here. Welcome back to another mukbang, and if you're new, thank you for joining me on this meal. And today, Chuck E. Cheese pizza. Yes, pizza again, because who doesn't like pizza, you know what I mean? But I got the meatlovers pizza and the supreme pizza, and I got the churros as well to end this very well. And I also got my soda. It's Pepsi, and I love, how, you guys know me, I love Coke, but Pepsi, they gave me Pepsi, and it looks like it's Diet Pepsi, but it's not. And, I'm not a big fan of Pepsi, but there's Michael Jackson on this can, so I'm pretty happy about that. That's pretty cool. But anyways, I'm just gonna get started on this, and because I'm hungry, and hopefully you're hungry too. Oh, and also, if you see it's a different background, I'm not actually at home. I just wanted to, I'll give you the details, the deets, in a bit after I get my first bite in because I'm hungry. But I'm gonna open this. You already know. You know that sound. And I'm gonna go for the biggest bite here. I'm gonna go for the meat lovers first. The biggest bite there is. Look how big that is, huh? Huge. Look at that. I can't even fit it all in my mouth. I didn't know that this was gonna be this tiny. The pizza. I mean, it's delicious. Don't get me wrong. This is amazing. I didn't know like this tiny. It said it'll fit one person. I was expecting like, okay, no wonder it was a little cheaper. I ordered it online. You know me. Look at this little baby. And if you guys don't know what, for anyone who doesn't know what Chuck E. Cheese is, it's I don't even know, man. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to look it up. Okay, sorry about that. That was embarrassing. So what Chuck E. Cheese is, it's a franchise, an American franchise that holds, they have their amusement rides, they have their arcades, they have all this fun stuff for kids. And I decided to get pizza there because I think their pizzas are pretty good there and famous. And I can vouch that the pizza is really good, just a little tiny for kids. And the last time I went there, I think I only went there once in my whole entire life. I was 15. Because I got invited to this 16th birthday party, and the person was hosting it there. It was fun. I remember that. And their mascot is, I don't know the name of the mascot, but it's a rat, I think. I think it's a rat or a mouse. I don't know which one it is, but I don't want to hurt people's feelings or Chuck E. Cheese's feelings if it's a rat or a mouse. Same thing. No, I'm just kidding. But this pizza, much needed right now. Oh my goodness. It's been like a super stressful week because, as I mentioned in my previous mukbangs, I'm moving. I know this is not the new place. So this place is actually my sister's. She's so lucky. But she worked hard for where she is now. She's vacationing in Spain. So I'm stuck here house sitting. And also dog sitting, but the dog here is very chill. Her dog. And I don't have to worry about it like crazy. But look, it's not bad, right? A little empty. I miss my home a bit. But Supreme Pizza has olives, onions, pepperoni, mushrooms, and sausages and bell peppers. But yes, the amount of stress that moving can hold up on you, you know? I'm not even like I'm not even close to being done with everything. You know, we got the keys already, we got the new pad already, and and my sister's in Spain, so I'm stepping in to help pack her stuff and pretty much move it. And it's just like a lot. I don't know. It's a little harder to explain. You know, if anyone has moved, you know, tell me. Comment section. How much stress it is, or stressful, especially when you have a lot of stuff. It's been 4 years. 4 years. I don't know where to go. I don't know why I did that, but. Four years since I haven't moved. And when I moved, this was when I first moved out of my parents' house and I didn't have much stuff, so it was so easy. And that was my first time being an adult. That alone was fun, and it wasn't stressful because I was looking forward to it because I wanted to get out my parents' house ready. And now a lot of stuff has built up, and I have to pack so many things. It's just terrible. Have to rent a freaking U-Haul truck or just a truck, and I'm helping my sister pack up because I'm actually moving in with her. We're both, you know, she purchased a new house, and I'm part of it. So you know, I'm moving back in with family again. Hopefully it goes well. I'm pretty excited. New place is amazing, I'll tell you that much. That was horrible, excuse me. New place is amazing, yes. And the background I'm gonna have from my few mukbangs coming up soon. I still need to record it. I'm just saying. It's gonna be amazing. I think I just need to get the proper angle. You know, mukbangs aren't easy. They are, you know. It's not just, you know, you sit down and you eat. Yes, you do that. But if, you know, for me, as a, you know, starting out as a mukbang in my head, the way I perceive what mukbangs are is you eat with someone and you accompany them. So the way I accompany them is I always try to interact. I know I might talk a lot, but I see some people saying, why don't you just eat? And it's really hard, let me tell you. Eating, because I have it in my head that I want to interact with my audience. Oh, I was itching. That it's hard for me to like not talk and just eat. And if I did do that, like if I did a just no talking mukbang, or it's not, that's not even a mukbang. I think it's more of just an ASMR, right? Tell me if I'm wrong, please, comment section. Ooh, look at a big piece. Wow. Well, and the best part, the easiest part, what makes it easy for me, for my stuff that I have to move, my own personal stuff in where I live now, it's literally a mile away from where I live, the new place. And that's so convenient. But my sister's house, where she's at now, which is here, she's a little bit further, so it's a bit of a hassle. It's gonna be probably like a few trips. It's probably gonna take a few days. Not a few days, but the whole day pretty much. I'm gonna just bust your ass. Sorry, sis. If you see this video, you have a lot of stuff. And thank God. Oh my God, thank God my mom's here. Or not here, but she comes by. Amazing woman. Super mom. You know how moms are? They're wonderful. But she definitely, you know, helps so much around what she knows how to move. She knows what to pack. And me, I'm just like, I'm pretty much here just to carry stuff, move stuff. Because I don't want to be, it's not that I don't want to be responsible for losing stuff. It's just that I think I'm not as good in packing stuff. But I wish I could just like freaking teleport everything. Or like there's a service that just teleports everything, because I'd pay for that damn service right now. Amazing service. You know, gouging on unhealthy foods after like a very stressful day or even a week, and it's, you know, it's a favorite for you, or you like it, you know, a food that you really enjoy, really does help. It's amazing. And if you hear like scratching noises or scratching footstep noises, that's the little puppy. He's not a puppy, but he's a dog, and he's just here looking at me, waiting for food, because he smells it. It smells amazing. But sorry, little guy, I can't give you some. My sister would kill me. Maybe the sausage. I'll save it for him. His name's Zeus. He's an older dog. Been with him for a long time, with my sister, and I frequently visit him. Not frequently, maybe once in a while. He's actually been traveling, because wherever my sister lived, damn, traveled more than me. But yes, my sister's so lucky. Oh, like I said, not just lucky, but earned her, you know, where she is now, because she worked really hard for where she is now. Sorry, excuse me. Soda just gets to me. But Spain, anyone from Spain out there? What's up? Hey, Spain. My sister's out there. Treat her well, please. She's wine tasting and all this stuff. Michelin star restaurant, boasting about it to me. It's amazing. Lucky. I've been watching Chef's Table, like I said, and one of the episodes, she's actually going to that restaurant. Lucky. Oh, I keep saying lucky, but yes, lucky. She sends me these pictures and boomerangs, and I'm excited that I'm moving in with my sister, because I think she's a successful person, and I want to be able to focus more, you know. That's what I'm aiming for. I really want to focus more on whatever I have things planned. And one of them is the mukbangs. I'm going to have a new background. I'm really excited for that. You know, I'm so surprised. By the way, I don't like crust, so sorry. I'm not a big fan of crust. I'm gonna leave that one. But yes. I want to be able to focus. And in my head, my sister being around me, you know, hardworking, very successful. I'll just be able to focus, you know. And the area where we're at is very private, so it's quiet, and I can just really, you know, I don't want to procrastinate. Let me tell you that I hate procrastination. But it's a really bad habit of mine. I gotta get rid of it. But let's go with these churros. So caramel, I think. Caramel, and it's crusting. No, not crusting. Is it crusting? I don't know what it is. Hello. See that? Look. Oops. And I'm gonna dip it in the caramel. What's up? I love churros ever since I was a kid. When I was introduced in Disneyland, I believe. I love it. Not bad. Not the best. Pizza was great, don't get me wrong. I think it would have been way better if it was fresher. Like fresh out of the fryer. But it's whatever. And you know what I'm surprised about, by the way? So this place, it's like walls are thin. And speaking of the devil, you could hear him now. I was just gonna say, I don't hear any of the neighbors. Because they're usually freaking loud and annoying. One thing I don't like about this place is the neighbors. Thank God my sister's moving out of here. I don't know how you can focus with these freaking stomping and these loud ass dogs out here. I'm just complaining now. I have no one to complain to, so I'll complain with y'all. But yeah, I wouldn't be able to focus on a place like this. That was delicious. Chuck E. Cheese, not bad. The rat guy or mouse guy, I don't remember your mascot name for Chuck E. Cheese. Thank you, appreciate it. That was not bad. I'm actually full and got a little stress out of me. So thank you, Chuck E. Cheese. Been a while. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it so much. You already know how much I appreciate you guys so much. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and turn the notifications on. And comment section is always open for any suggestions or whatever you need to say it, and I'll be able to hear it, and I'm gonna see it. I'm always seeing it, and I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Take care. Peace.